This is a lesson on how to play the main riff in Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. Okay, so 3 notes, maybe 4. I'll play it first. Okay, so to get into it, we have index finger on 2nd of A, ring on 4 of A, pinky on 5 of A. That pinky note, you could use your ring finger up a fret if you wish, or else use your pinky. Okay, so we start off with the 2nd fret played twice with 2 downstrokes. Following that, we go up, down, up on 2 of A, down on 4 of A, and up on 5 of A. I'd practice that a few times on its own. Up, down, up. Fingers I'm using are index, ring, pinky. So far. Okay, to continue on. Now, I'm going 5th fret, 4th fret, and I'm picking up, down on the 5th fret there. I pull off to the 4th. Up, down, pull off. I hit the 4 again with the down. I pull off to the 2nd fret. Up, down, pull off, down, pull off. And that'll be the most technically advanced bit of the riff. So all together. And that's it.